Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making a garlic burnt butter creamy mushroom sauce with porterhouse steak. This dish has an incredible flavour and is delightfully satisfying, especially on those cold nights. If you grow your own fresh thyme and parsley from the garden, it's always going to be the best and it's going to save you a dime. Begin by slicing your mushrooms, then crush 3 cloves of garlic. Next, we chop the parsley. When making a beautiful pan sauce like this, try and get a steak that's at least 1 inch thick. I'm using a porterhouse, but the choice of cut is up to you. Heat a pan over high heat. Then we season the steak with salt and pepper, but make sure you don't season the fat cap. Gently place the seasoned meat into the hot pan. I find a cast iron pan works best because it heats evenly and I get a really good crispy sear. Sear the steak on all sides. Then we're going to turn down the heat to medium, add some unsalted butter, garlic cloves and thyme. I'm using unsalted butter because it's really important to be able to control the seasoning and the taste of the dish. Next we're going to start basting this beautiful steak. Spoon the garlic cloves and thyme on top of the steak, followed by the butter. Do this for all sides. Now the key to getting a perfect steak every single time is using an instant read thermometer to check the internal temperature of the steak. We're aiming for medium rare, which is about 55 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit. But the best tip I can give you is to take your steak off a few degrees early, as the steak will continue to cook with a residual heat. Once the steak hits that magic temperature, remove the steak and thyme and cover it with foil. Crush the garlic with a fork. All that garlic and slightly burnt butter will help create a rich, beautiful sauce. Deglaze the pan with chicken stock, then throw in your mushrooms. Add 150 ml of cream, or more if you've got more than one steak, bring to the simmer and allow to thicken. Make sure you taste your sauce as you go. Season with salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, your parsley, and your resting steak juices. Here's a great tip. The best way to tell when your sauce is ready is if the sauce coats the back of your spoon. This is called nappe in French to describe the consistency of a liquid or a sauce thick enough to coat your favourite stirring spoon and hold the shape of your tongue as you lick it. Everything is ready to go. Plate up your steak and pour over that beautiful sauce, and there you have it. Garlic burnt butter creamy mushroom sauce with a porterhouse steak. You can't deny how delicious this steak and sauce combo really is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow us on social media, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.